Brother, do you know that if you continue to take your own sweet time, I can do everything by myself?
First of all, I want to thank my wife. Okay, why I want to thank my wife? Because she has been with me throughout this renovation journey. And best still, she is very obedient. How obedient? If I ask her to stand, she will stand. If I ask her to sit, she will sit. If I ask her to talk, she will never talk. Because I am the man of the house. Fire! 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 Fire!
Fire!
Fire!
Where is the quotation that I asked for?
Yeah.
Why do you always take your own sweet time to do things? Huh? Don't interrupt me when I'm speaking, okay? Brother, do you know that if you continue to take your own sweet time, I can do everything by myself?
Then you find lor.
Excuse me, I did say you can talk.
Dear, can I talk?
What?
Dear, you see, I went to Renopedia.sg, right? You know, I already submit my detail over there. Then you know there will be 5 to 8 interior design firms that will be calling me. Then what happened is that, right, I got 5 quotes. Then another thing is, if I finish my house, right, you know, we have a chance to win out to $50,000.
Oh.
Happy? Surprise, right?
Then why you never tell me earlier?
Dear, you see, want to give you a surprise, ma? Surprise, dear. Yeah, like smile, 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 smile.
Why you make me feel so bad?
Yeah lah, dear.
I mean, you know, your mother asked me to take care of you. That's why I always want you to take initiative.
Yeah lah, dear. You don't so angry, you know. Put down this thing. This thing use for cooking one. So dear, so now you understand, right? I can be very man, right? I can take care of you, right? And sometimes I can be smarter than you, right? Like you only find one interior designer. I find 8, you know? I find 8 interior designer!
Renopedia,
the leading online renovation media.